Hello bees, this is Miss Eddy and I'm hanging with some of my favorite kids. In addition to you bees, I love hanging with my nephews and my niece. I want to introduce you to them. This is Trevor.
What's up?
This is Tyler.
Hey.
And Kyla is our videographer. So say hello, Kyla.
Hey.
Want to show you a game. Many of you already know how to play. It's called Close to 20. And then Trevor's also going to do a round of Close to 100 later in the video. So for Close to 20, your goal, your object is to get as close to 20 as you can with your cards that you have selected. We have used a deck of cards. Since I did not bring my cards from school, we used a deck of cards that I had in my house. And we've used paper that I've made the scoreboard. You will see Close to 20. You will select 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will pick 3 cards each round. The game is 5 rounds. For round number 1, we're going to model for you how to play round number 1. And then we're going to come back to you after we play the other rounds, and we're going to show you how to finish up and tally your score to see who the winner is. If you play the game, you're already a winner. So let's take a look at what we have. So each of the guys have their 5 cards. They're going to explain to you why they're choosing the 3 cards that they are choosing and how they total it up. So let's take a look. Let's start with Trevor. Trevor, what cards do you have?
I have 10, 8, 6, 7, and ace counts as a 1. So I'm going to use 10 and 8 and the 1 because 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So that gets me 1 away from 20. That's the closest I can get.
All right. And Tyler.
I have 9, 7, 2, and 3, and an ace. That equals 1.
What are you going to use for this round?
I'm going to use 9, 7, and 3.
Why are you going to use those? What do you get when you add them together?
Because 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 plus 3 is 19.
Okay, so your total would be 19. So you're going to fill in 9, 7, and 3. You're going to find your total, which is also called your sum. And what do you get when you add those up?
19.
All right. Trevor has also totaled his up, 10, 8, and 1. And when you add those 3, you get 19. You are checking to see how close you are to 20. So how close are you to 20, Trevor?
I'm 1 away from 20.
He's 1 away, so his score is 1. And you also have 19, so your score is 1. We will come back in a few minutes after they've done rounds 2, 3, 4, and 5 and see who the winner is. Check in soon. See you in just a moment. Welcome back, bees. We are at the end of our game. We're now going to total our scores to see how we did. The boys had a good time and they worked really hard. I want to thank them again for working with me on this. So, Tyler, what's your final score?
1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 11 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18.
So your final score is 18.
My
Go ahead and
final
write that.
score is 18.
Okay. And Trevor, what's your final score?
1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. So my final score is 10.
Okay. For that round, Trevor got the lowest score, so he will be called the winner, but both of these guys are winners, so I want to thank them for participating. In order to do Close to 100, you would use 6 cards, and you would make double-digit numbers. For example, can you make a double-digit number using these cards for me, please? Trevor?
38 and 61.
Okay, so then he would have 38 plus 61, and we're going to add that up. While he's adding that up, I wanted to show you that Close to 100 is very much like Close to 20. You add them up and you find the difference between your number and 100, and then you do that for each round and find your score. All right, 38 plus 61 is?
38 plus 61 is 99.
So 99 is how many away from 100, Trevor?
1.
So your score for that round would be?
1.
Okay. So that's how you play close to 100. You could play with the cards and make double-digit numbers and figure out the difference between your sum and 100. I hope you enjoyed this, and you can play this game at home, and it's a good way to practice your addition facts. And you also have to use strategies in order to try to get as close to the numbers possible. So have fun, and hopefully work on those math skills and be great bees as always. Until next time, bye.